Who wakes up at 5 a.m. to go to a store? Us. We are off to the Harry Potter flagship store in New York. It's just 2 hours from our house. That's what the GPS showed. So my alarm was set at 5 a.m, 5:15 a.m, 5:30 a.m. And I woke up at 5:30. He did too. We got ready and now we are heading off to New York. Anything Harry Potter related is my happy place, my favorite place. Let's see what the store has in store for us. I'll catch up with you soon when I reach New York. So even if you're fully vaccinated, they recommend, or I think it's mandatory, to wear a mask inside, and I completely agree. New York isn't free of the goddamn virus. So vaccinated or not, keep your mask on. Better be vaccinated and then wear your mask, and then you can enjoy the entire experience of Harry Potter's flagship store in New York. Hercules Swing and Tom Riddle's Diary. From what I know, I think this is the Pottery Barn section. So the same stuff you'll probably get at Pottery Barn too, and I love this mirror. Oh my god, this is so pretty. But I want to head down to the personalization area so that I can personalize my wand first. And do you notice that the entire staircase system has these amazing wands? And these wands actually belong to different characters. So there's the Elder Wand, then there's the Harry Potter wand. Laura to go somewhere. Where? Diagon Alley. No, that will be all. Thank you.
Your total is going to be 26.14.
Oh my god, look at all the detailing. Ooh. Look at the cookies.
Have a great day then.
Chalo, let's go there. So I'm going to take the first sip of butterbeer here. I have tasted butterbeer before, both the Disneys in US, Florida and California. So let's see how this is. This is so good. Honestly, I don't remember the taste of the butterbeer that I've had before, but this is so good. It's creamy. It tastes like butterscotch. So, very refreshing. The cream is very rich, but the soda part inside is very refreshing. How do you like it? You like it? You like the drink?
Cream is too sweet, but the beer part is
Okay,
really
he's
nice.
not a butterbeer person, he's a beer person. So for him, the cream is going to be too sweet. Harry Potter fans, don't listen to him. He knows nothing of Harry Potter. This is amazing, you should definitely try it. And you're also going to get a souvenir cup that you get to keep in your collection. So once you're done, you can actually clean your cup. take a tissue, wipe it off, and you can easily carry it back home. We are almost done, standing in the cash line right now. This is the damage. A lot of damage. Stay tuned for a haul. I'll add it at the end of the video. And budget ka nothing else. I'll actually talk about the entire experience while we head back. But oh my god, I had such a great time. Not good for our wallet, but definitely had a great time. Done shopping. The store was amazing. A lot of damage has been done to the wallet, like I said. So I'll just see you in a bit, and then we'll talk more about the experience that I just had. Hello again. Yeah, we are finally heading back home. It took us around 2 hours to come, but we did take a break. We had to charge our car and then grab some coffee and breakfast. And while going back, we just picked up some chicken over rice from the streets of New York, and we are heading back now. We should reach in like 1 hour 30 minutes from the time I'm talking to you right now. And yeah, so here's some tips for you if you are coming to this store. From my experience, I'll just share a few things that will kind of help to make your experience better. So number one is try to come on a weekday. Like weekends are going to be crazy busy because we came on a Thursday. Even though my ticket, like there were 164 tickets ahead of me when I registered on that app, I got in within 30 minutes. So that's like amazing, right? 30 minutes. So we just gone to Starbucks to get some coffee, but we were like called and we had to like run and go. However, they will give you an hour to reach back and enter the store. So from the time they message you that it's your turn now, you get 1 hour to get to the store. So inside, I think you can stay how long you want to. I stayed there for I think 90 plus minutes. Yeah. So I checked everything out. In this vlog, I'm going to keep a couple of things hidden as surprise for you to go and venture and like check out while you visit the store. So number one is go on a weekday, especially Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. These 3 days, when I spoke to them, they said that the crowd is lesser on like Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. So that's the recommended days. The second tip is try to go early in the morning, like as early as you can. So for us, it's a 2 hours drive. We did reach by 10 o'clock, right around about 10 o'clock when the store opened, and we got in within like half an hour. So the earlier you go and you like check in the QR code, the faster you can enter the store. So try to go early in the morning. And next tip is try to like be on a budget, because the store is such, you're going to go crazy. Like if you're super passionate about Harry Potter, this is going to be a paradise for you. So make a budget or else you'll definitely go broke. So I had a lot of stuff in my wish list, but you know what, I stay just 2 hours away from the store, so I can easily come back a few months later or whenever and like I can get other stuff. So that's how I was able to control and not like buy more than I had to, but still I did burn his wallet. But this is still my birthday week going on. birthday करके सब कुछ हो जा रहा है in 1 week. But yeah, budget guys, budget, because you'll go crazy when you go inside the store. Money wise, just kind of be mindful what you need, what you don't. Yeah, so I think these 3 tips are good enough, and make sure you have charge on your phone or camera, whatever you're taking. You'll want to take like a million photos and videos. I actually forgot to take too many photos. I was so involved recording everything. Hey, picture lena. So my pics are less comparatively, but overall the feeling is amazing. Like the sound effect when you walk around, you'll get to hear stuff, and the music, the background score in the movie, that keeps playing. So overall a fantastic experience. So just wait up here. I'm going to share what I bought. I'm going to share my haul, and I'm so excited to go home and check them out. Definitely wait for it. Okay, so here's my haul, and let me show you what all I got. So this is a free bag. So everybody will get the brown paper bag for free, whatever you buy from there. So let's start with the butter beer related items. So as you saw before, we drank the butterbeer there, and we got these souvenir cups to keep, and we also bought these 2 butterbeer bottles to drink later on, and then obviously I'm going to save the bottles in my Harry Potter collection area. And what does it say? Original leaky cauldron recipe. This is really nice. You know, you should definitely buy this for yourself. This is really nice. Okay, next I am going to keep all the packaging nicely. I think most of us collectors do like to keep the packaging, and I'm going to do the same. Next is this umbrella or chhatri. I don't know, this was right next to the gate, and I really loved it. So let me open it up and show you. This is how it looks. So it has the golden snitch, a niffler, the lightning scar. This is really nice. The Deathly Hallows. This is so cool. I can't wait to use it. This one I'll use. This is not a collective item. I'm going to use this for sure. And next, of course, I bought a wand. I didn't want to buy one, but I couldn't resist. So I bought the Albus Dumbledore wand. So I bought the Albus Dumbledore wand. The packaging is a beautiful purple, and let me open it for you. There's not a fun thing I got done here. I had this wand in my wish list for years. Like, I already have the Harry Potter wand that my father gifted to me when we took them to Disney LA, but I really wanted the, oh my god, yeah. So I wanted this wand, and I'll actually give you a close-up clipping in a while, but I got my name engraved here. So this says Priyanka Das. So I am the owner of the Elder Wand. What do I say? Wingardium Leviosa. So this is so cool, and it has my name on it. So that makes this wand cooler. So definitely try to get customized stuff. It is like, you'll feel good about it when you bring it home. You'll feel as if you are a student of Hogwarts, and it's like your own stuff. Okay, let me. And these plastic tote bags you can actually buy separately. So I just got one. These are $4 and they have different designs, but I got the Daily Prophet one. So this is like amazing. I really like it. And at the back it says Harry Potter New York, and in front it says New York Ghost. And one of my most favorite things that I bought is this very cute golden snitch crossbody. This is so cute, and it says I open at the close. It is so cute. The detailing is amazing. It has some furry textured wings behind, and it is so cute. And in this bag you can see there's this pouch here. I did buy a Christmas tree ornament, which is the Hogwarts train. And if you remember, we were playing the scavenger hunt and we were able to solve it. So we got 2 pins, 1 pin each for Mrinal and me. So that's it, guys. This is my entire haul. The Butterbeer section here, umbrella, customized wand, Christmas ornament, pins from scavenger hunt, a crossbody purse, and a store special gift bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is useful when you go and visit the store. Do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to shower lots and lots and lots of love to my channel and this video specifically. I'll see you soon with some brand new content. Until then, bye. मैं कल तक नहीं वेट कर सकती. Bye.